Welcome you all in today's mathematics class. Myself Sarvjit Dubey. I want to show you how a function is said to be or check differentiability. The given function is differentiable or not at a given point or in given interval. A function is said to be differentiable at x is equal to a if left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. This is the main thing denoted by LF dash a is equal to RF dash a, written as limit h tends to 0 function of a minus h minus function of a by minus h is equal to limit h tends to 0 function of a plus h minus function of a by h. Its geometrical meaning is, first of all, taking a curve y is equal to function of x. Now take a point P with coordinate a, and as this curve is y is equal to function of x. When x becomes to a, then y becomes function of x. So coordinate of point P is a and function of a. Similarly, taking 2 points Q and R, Q from left to P, from left of P, and R from right to P, neighborhood points. So Q is written as a minus h, comma function of a minus h, and R is written as a plus h, comma function of a plus h. Now remember, in class 11 we have studied how to find slope of a line joining 2 points. So slope of PQ is function of a minus h minus function of a by a minus h minus a, function of a plus h minus function of a, slope of PQ function of a minus h minus function of a by a minus h minus a minus cancel. Similarly, slope of PR function of a plus h minus function of a y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 a plus h minus a. So it is h. Now, by the definition of differentiability, we have to write a function is said to be differentiable if at x is equal to a, if limit h tends to 0 function of a minus h minus function of a by minus h is equal to limit a function of a plus h minus function of a by h. Now put this value from 2 and 1 and 2. This one is the value of slope of PQ, this one is the value of slope of PR. So therefore tangent to the curve y is equal to function of x. Tangent to the curve y is equal to function of x at x is equal to a from left and right exist, यानी exist करना चाहिए, निकलना चाहिए, रियल वैल्यू आना चाहिए, and are same straight line, दोनों सेम स्ट्रेट लाइन होना चाहिए. इसका टेंजेंट इधर का और इधर का किसी भी पॉइंट का टेंजेंट P पॉइंट पर अगर चेक करते हैं तो एक इन पॉइंट P हो तो सेम स्ट्रेट लाइन होना चाहिए. PQ और PR सेम स्ट्रेट लाइन होना चाहिए, तभी कर सकते हैं कि फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल है P पर. अब देखिए, अगर बिटवीन इंटरवल AB चेक करना हो ओपन इंटरवल, so we have to check at each and every point greater than a but less than b. Then we can say function of x is differentiable at in the interval ab. Now example, y is equal to function of x is equal to mod x at x is equal to 0. So first of all, drawing curve of y is equal to mod x from 0 and greater than 0, mod x is equal to x, that is y is equal to x, and for less than 0 it is y is equal to minus x. Now see, OA and OB are different lines, not same lines at O. So we can say these are the straight lines, so these are tangents. Both tangents are not same straight line at O. So we can say their function of x is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Mathematically we can do it. Left derivative at O 0. Limit h tends to 0, function of 0 minus h minus function of 0 by minus h, that is limit h tends to 0, mode of minus h minus mode of 0, because it is given function of x is equal to mod x. So function of 0 minus h, that is function of minus h is equal to mod h, mode of minus h, and function of 0 is equal to mode of 0 by minus h. Mode of minus h is h by minus h, it is minus 1. Similarly, right hand derivative, limit h tends to 0, function of 0 plus h minus function of 0 by h, it becomes mod of h by h, cancel, it is 1. Since minus 1 is not equal to 1, so we can say function of x is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Thank you.